Investing in Stocks for Beginners, Part 2. We're going to be talking about buying stocks. So, how much money do you need to begin with? If you have a brokerage in the United States, all you have to do is connect your debit card, a checking account, and you would be able to actually just purchase shares. If you're an international individual, you may have to actually fund your trading account with a couple $1,000s before you actually have the ability to trade. However, stocks can also be purchased on a fractional basis, meaning that if one stock or share is $100, many of the brokerages, particularly here in the United States, you can actually invest from as little as $5, believe it or not. So once your account is funded, whether that be you have a debit card connected to it, or you have a $3,000 in it, and you're looking to spend, $5, $10, or even $100 on some stocks, the next question is, okay, what do you buy? There are literally thousands and thousands of shares or stocks available on the marketplace. So a good place to start is to look at the top 10 companies by market capitalization. And market capitalization refers to the total dollar market value of a company's outstanding shares of stock. So in the United States, here are the top 10 companies. So this is basically a good starting point for any individual that's interested in, jumping into the market. Here are also a few strategies you could use before you, actually purchase. So here are some strategies that you could use while choosing stocks. So a good thing is always to invest in what you know about. So if you're in healthcare, you might want to take a look at healthcare companies. If you're in construction, you might want to look at construction companies. And if you're a techie like me, you could go ahead and look at tech stocks, tech companies. Like I said previously, you could invest in the top 10 companies of the region that you're trading the stocks in. Another strategy is you can look at seasonality. So again, we know that November to December, heavy shopping times, basically in this region of the world because of Christmas and Thanksgiving. So seasonality, you could look at things like Valentine's Day. So you could trade stocks on a seasonal basis. Another thing you could do is actually just copy trades. So here's a list of insider traders. These individuals, if you look, you would see directors, CEOs, general counsel, directors, president and CEO. In the United States, individuals that have these titles in companies, publicly traded companies, they basically have to file documents with the Securities Exchange Commission, which is called the SEC, which is like the governing body of the stock exchange here in the United States. So basically, because they have to basically provide documentation, then there's actually access to information. It's actually publicized, so you can actually see what these guys are doing. So again, you can see that you could just literally just copy what they do. Like Thomas Hartfield just bought 1,900 shares in this particular company, so you could actually do that. All you could do is do what they do on the opposite side. If you're already in a position and you want to sell, then you could actually just do what they do. The more you know, the more your bank account should grow. I hope this has been empowering to you. Stay tuned for the next lesson that I will be sharing with you. I'll actually be jumping into a trading platform so you can actually see it for yourself. Thank you.